Hey everyone, so the hobby is here again. So today I will be teaching you how to properly, step by step, how to properly change your Nissan Navara NP300 and other variants air filter. So this process is actually very simple, and I will not be using the original Nissan Navara's air filter because my supplier doesn't have the original part. So I ordered the Vic brand instead. So let me just put some lightings here. So the first thing that we need to remove is the hose. The reason that why I'm recommending to remove the hose is for us not to force the hose itself if we try to open it up. Okay, so we have to know the size of this. I think this is size 8 if I'm not mistaken. So we have to remove the bracket of the hose first. Right here. Let's just untighten it a little bit. Just a little bit. And this will allow us to remove the hose right here. Just twist this a little bit like that. So maybe let's loosen this a little bit more. Let's twist this a bit and push a little bit and remove the locks here. It can be found here. And then lift it up. Then you will be able to access the air filter. So let's remove this old air filter right here. And then let's compare it to the new one. Okay. So I think they are the same. Okay. Yeah. I think they are the same. So I keep on changing this every 10,000 kilometers because I wanted to be safe rather than being sorry. Right. So the most important part, if you will be using the replacement version, is this gel-like support right here. Okay, the original doesn't have a support at the bottom of it, but the replacement do have it. As I was saying, gel protection on this air filter, because this will avoid the air filter to be crumpled when the turbo boost is trying to suck it up, because the turbo boost suction is very strong. So just put it in place. Okay, like this. Make sure that it is perfectly sitting on it, especially the corners. In fairness to the replacement, the Vicks replacement air filter, it is very tight, right? As you can see, right there. And basically, that is it. Then try to close this now. Align the hose. Okay. Once it is already perfectly aligned. Now, it is time to put back the hose. Let me just check if I'm missing any clips or any locks. So far, so good. And then it's time to retighten this hose bracket right here. Okay. Do not over tighten it to avoid the hose to cause any cracks on the vacuum hose. Okay, so hand tight is actually enough for this one, and make sure that the hose is properly sitting on the cylinder. Let me just check on the different angle. Yeah, I think that's it. So it is as easy as that. So as I mentioned before, earlier, it is already safe to change your air filter every 10,000 kilometers. That will actually perfectly take care of your car. So that's it. If you have any questions or any insight in this procedure, please leave your comments on the comment section below. And also, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.